Alright, what's going on, guys? Today we're going to do a quick and dirty version of protein bars. Eating the right foods with proper macro balance can be difficult sometimes, and these protein bars can help you get there. A lot of recipes that you find online for protein bars are actually really gross. This, not so much. You know, it's not a Snickers bar, it's a protein bar, but it actually tastes good. It's actually the black beans that make this work, so don't cut those out. Alright, so we're going to make this in a food processor. First, we're going to start with a cup of oats. Go ahead and process it for a couple minutes. Make sure the oats turn into a fine powder. Once that's finished, you can put the oats aside. Next is a 15-ounce can of black beans. You can just rinse these off real quick in the sink. Make sure you buy black beans that don't have any seasoning in them. Salt is okay, but it's going to get rinsed off with the water anyways. Next will be a cup of dates. This is about 150 grams. This is where your recipe can get a little wonky depending on the moisture content of your dates. So you may have to play with it a little bit depending on what kind of dates you purchase. Next, I'm putting in 5 1/4 scoops of protein powder. This is a banana flavored protein powder. That seems like a lot, but hey, we're making protein bars. Next is 1/3 cup of cocoa powder. And here is a 1/3 cup of whole milk. And 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Go ahead and turn the food processor back on. And we're going to process this until everything is very smooth. Now go ahead and add the oats and blend that until everything is mixed together. It should be dough-like, but it doesn't have to be perfect. So now we're going to take this out and put it into a 9x13 pan. I have some parchment paper down so that it doesn't get as messy and it's easier to take out. We're going to bake this at 375 degrees for about 10 to 15 minutes. Really all we're doing here is drying it out a little bit so that it travels better. Alright, we're cutting this batch into 12 pieces. I'll put the exact nutrition in the description, but what it works out to is that each bar has 14.5 grams of protein, 22.5 grams of carbs, 2 grams of fat, and 164.4 total calories. Alright, so let's give this a shot. It's a protein bar. This is all about convenience. If I'm going straight from work to the gym, I need a little snack before I go. This gets the job done. I made this myself, so I know exactly what's in it. I know it's nutritious, it's not full of preservatives, and I made something specific that meets my macros. Alright guys, thanks for watching my video today. If you liked the content, please like and subscribe. If you're looking for a protein bar, this may be the one for you. Go ahead and make it, give it a shot, see if you like it. It works for me, I hope it works for you.